Hi, and welcome to CMA Month. One of the most important things when creating a CMA is price per square foot. We do know that square footage and calculation of the estimated value according to square footage is one of the most accurate ways to price a property. Sometimes you aren't quite sure if the square footage includes things like the garage or any other detached structure. However, in Matrix, you do have a quick way of calculating price per square foot according to the living area. So all you would do is simply go into a search and you would select your RE1, RE2. And let's say I wanted to see what was the price per square foot for single family homes similar to a subject property that I'm studying. So I'm going to select active and closed sale for the last 6 months. So I'm going to leave 0 to 180, single family, single. And then in the center column for city, I'm going to type in Coral Gables. And let's say the subject property has 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, and it's about 2,000 square feet. Remember, we look at a 20% range, and 20% of 2,000 would be 400 square feet. So we're going to look at anything from 1,600 to 2,400. And again, this is just a way to quickly calculate price per square foot. I have about 23 matches. Once I go to my results, I can select all of them at the top where it says all, and then I can go down to the bottom under actions and click on stats. Your only option is to then click on tabular. And now I have a quick calculation that took less than a second. Seemed lightning fast, and I have calculations of things like price per square foot for the list price, price per square foot for the sold price. Everything is itemized, actives, closed, and everything all together. In seconds, you can have your price per square foot, and you can use that to calculate the estimated value of your subject property. Hoping that this CMA tip has helped you, and as always, thank you for being a Miami member.